So we're down here in Greenwich in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. A really big project, this one. So what we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Yeah, real big project this one. So stripping all of the paint back, getting it all off, brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We'll be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. We're going to be tuck pointing when the customer's not too sure what style of repointing to go for yet, but we'll definitely be tuck pointing all of the arches on the front of the property. We're doing loads of samples on all of their brickwork, see what finish the customer would like to go for. Decorating all of the stonework, restoration to all of the stonework. Going to be a real big job, this one. See how well this paint comes off, see what brick we're working with underneath. We're not quite too sure if it's a gaunt or stocks at the moment, but we'll have a little look at all of that in the next few hours once we get paint stripping. Just show you upstairs. Also looking at doing possibly the sides and the back of this house as well for the customer. Doing a complete renovation on the project. So yeah, real big job. Going to keep us going for a while, this project. Got lots of tradesmen on site doing loads of stuff internally. So yeah, getting all of this loose flaky paint off. As you can see, it's all the old mortar's coming away now. So strip all of that, clean it all, repoint it all with a nice breathable line mortar. Decoration to all of the stonework, quite a few repairs and stuff to do. Beautiful views of London all across here, stunning place. Going to look really nice when it's all finished. Like I say, all of this stonework can all be stripped back, restored and decorated. Get all the loose flaky paint off everything. Any cracks, we've got quite a bit of cracking going through certain areas, but a bit of helibar and stitch all of that in. But yeah, real big project to get underway. Customers really excited that we're finally here. Can't wait to see the transformation that we're going to do for them. So yeah, this is going to keep us going for a good few weeks now, just on the paint stripping and the cleaning alone, and then we'll get all of the samples done for the customer, see what finish they'd like to go for, and then we'll show you some more progress in the next week or so. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.